Hi guys, today I show you how to replace original 5-inch radio from Chrysler 200 2016 to 8.4-inch radio which I bought from the scrapyard. More nicer features and how it works we'll see together. The most important thing with this stuff, it's a bezel which need to be replaced the original bezel because it's a bit bigger, and try to find bezel before you find the radio. In my case it was pretty hard. This bezel cost $1,000 in a dealership, just plastic bezel. I bought it from scrapyard for $85 and radio for 200. Anyway, to start, what you need for this, it's pretty simple. It's a Phillips screwdriver and a pry bar, something like that. Okay, let's start. I already bit pop up. Too easy way to remove it. You have to use this. This is the connector for emergency light. Just pressed and remove. Okay, and okay, this is, it's for screw, it's one already removed, and this one. Okay, let's start to remove it. Okay, and hard to find to obtain the pin code for the radio because it's theft code on the radio, and some dealers doesn't want to give you this pin. They want to charge you. They tell you that you have to pay. They have to connect. If they telling this thing to you, it's a lying to you. With the VIN number of the car, where the radio come from, and with a number on the radio, I assume under the one of them, they give you, and the proof of your purchase of the radio, they have to give you this pin code, 4-digit pin code for free. Okay, let's start. This radio has same connector. All of them has same connectors. If you see this, right? Okay, and this is the power connection. This is USB connector. This is AM/FM radio, and the yellow one, it's XM radio and GPS connector for navigation. Okay, it's a bit easy. You have to remove this stuff. I don't know if it's easy. Okay, lever like this. It's small piece like this. Okay, this is my old radio and this is new one. You see these similar connectors. Okay, let's try what's happened with this radio. On side. Okay. Oops. Gray one. Put it to the gray connector. Oops. White one comes to the white FM radio, and yellow one to the yellow connector. Here, okay, you see, and this asks you the pin. What I told you, to remove and reinstall this clips to these holes. Okay, and right now I try to punch my code, anti-theft code. Done. Okay. Here, this is you connect. Removed system. Restart will appear shortly. Okay, we'll see what's going on. Okay, accept. Okay, guys. Right now we screw this radio back, and about the radio code, Again, you have to convince dealer give it to you for free. Actually, this is a bezel. I will see the difference. You can, if you don't find it bezel, of course you can cut it, but it will be a bit ugly. You see, it's a bit different. Better buy another one which match for this one, and it will be like that. Okay, what do we see here? Navi. Okay, view map. Okay, navigation system. Oh, it's actually shows it works. What else? Media. Yet radio. You have a radio over here. Okay. Temperature. Nice temperature outside. Tune. Yeah, you can tune the radio yourself. Actually, if you have a heated seats, it should work. And they all heated the steering wheel, heated seats as well. Mirror dimmer, and the settings, voice display, brakes, lights, phone, Bluetooth, and one more thing. This radio might be update software for the radio. You can update in a dealership, of course, for additional charge, or you can go to the www.driveyoucanadd.com and update your entire radio. If you put the VIN number of the car where you get from, you'll see the availability of the software update, and follow the instruction. You can do this, and with the USB you can update radio. This radio has new updates. You are okay, and this is the bezel, new bezel. We'll put the okay, and PAMS. Here everything works. Climate, okay. You can use this one or put the degree, compare with this one. You see. Okay guys, good luck, and maybe I show you the video. I would like to install the rear view camera. I don't have it on this car, and if I do this, I'll try to show you how to install the rear view camera for entire 2016 Chrysler 200. Thank you. Cheers.